Hey everyone, I'm Billy Marie and I plant trees in the desert. In March 2020, my daughter was born, the pandemic started, and my father passed away. I became obsessed with this idea of a desert forest, a sanctuary in the middle of nowhere where we could heal the land and heal ourselves. 13 months later, I found this place. We're slowly growing it into a native desert oasis. Nature is the best technology we have at healing the earth. We are growing this place into something special. You in?